Paramahamsa Nityananda, a compelling spiritual force of our millennium, founder of an international socio-spiritual movement, pioneer of a modern Vedic renaissance. Born in the sacred town of Tiruvannamalai, a yogi by birth, fearless spiritual explorer, beacon of divine power, Paramahamsa Nityananda is today an inspiration for millions on the path. Adept in ancient mystical yogic sciences, researcher of the science of spirituality, guru for enlightenment. Every year, Paramahamsa Nityananda shares with over 1 crore people worldwide the treasures of his wisdom, the joy of his laughter, and the incomparable power of his initiation. Now, Paramahamsa Nityananda speaks on living enlightenment, solutions for blissful living. Join us for an unforgettable spiritual experience.
Greatest gift to the humanity from the Vedic tradition is concept of soul. I can say science of soul, discovery of soul, description of soul, describing, at least it is indescribable. Please understand. Even the description, it is indescribable, is a description. Because if you don't give that description, many fools would have started describing and diverting the people. One of the greatest contribution to the humanity from the Vedic tradition is concept of soul. I can say, unless you understand the science of soul, unless you understand what Krishna is trying to teach in the 2nd chapter, Sankhya Yoga, you can neither have life nor have peace in life. Krishna is an extraordinary master who is putting the essence of this whole tradition, knowledge of soul. This one concept, actually this truth about ocean is like a truth about the soul is like an ocean. All your engram, all your suffering, all your conflicts, everything is like a small salt doll. It can just disappear in this ocean. Blessed are those who knows the technique of dissolving all components of them into the ocean of the knowledge. See, you have many components. Some are your ambition. You are, I can say all these put together only is you. Your ambitions. What do you want to become? what do you want to do, immediate ambition, long-term ambition, then your capacity, please understand, your capacity is unlimited. What you believe as your capacity. If you just prepare your body, whole world is your house. You can live anywhere you want. It is just little bit of preparation. If you can handle the basic heat and cold, that's it. Whole world is your house now. People say, I left my house, the young age itself. I tell you, no. I left my house to make the whole world as my house. Now, please understand, because I left my house in the young age and started traveling, somehow body and mind got accustomed. Anywhere, if I stretch my leg, I fall asleep. If I stretch my hand, whatever falls in my hand, I can eat. Now the whole world has become my house, my home. Expanding the capacity to live. That is what I did. Expanding my ability to live. Tapas. Your capacity, that is also part of you. What you believe as your capacity is part of you. And what you believe as threats to you, your insecurities, I tell you, you don't have any insecurity, you don't have any threat. But whatever you believe as your threat, that is also part of you. All these put together is you. Please understand, human biomemory of human being can experience only two signals. One is love, another one is fear. That's all. All other signals are converted to this love and fear, unexperienced by you. Human biomemory is not capable of experiencing jealousy. It is not capable of experiencing ego. It is not capable of experiencing worry. If you decode, if you go down, worry, jealousy, ego, all this will get decoded, will get converted. Finally, it will boil down to the binary of love, fear, love, fear, love, fear. That's all. Any program you may write, everything finally boils down to the binary 01, 01, 01. Same way, any emotion you can create, finally everything boils down to fear, greed, fear, fear, love, fear, love, fear, love, fear, love. Love, fear, love, fear, love, fear, love, fear. Everything boils down to fear and love. You do not know any other experience existentially. All other experiences, all other emotions are psychological. But this love and fear is physiological. Your limited love, unlimited fear, all these are components of you. Blessed are those who can dissolve these components into the ocean of knowledge. Sit and list all your components and tick one by one what all you can dissolve with this knowledge of soul, the science of soul. For example, if you write 50 components of you, if you can dissolve even 10 or 20, you can easily call yourself as a seeker. If you can dissolve more than 60%, around 30, I will call you, I will surely give you the title, you are living enlightenment. If you can dissolve above 40, even if there is 10 remaining, I will really call you as radiating enlightenment, because those 10 will not have power over you. Understand? When you cross the level of 40 components of you dissolving in the knowledge, what will be the remaining 10? Some temporary ambitions, or the foolish vision, or the mood swing. Only these few will be left undissolved in the ocean of knowledge. I can tell you, those few things undissolved, if it is only 10% or 20%, you don't even have to struggle to dissolve that. Just neglect it. Carry on with your life with the confidence, I have dissolved more than 80%, get out. Simply by your confidence, the other 20% will run away, dissolve. They will just disappear. They don't want to live with you. Surely they won't like to be with you. This great knowledge, the soul is indescribable. I can interpret this word ascharyavat pashyati kaschitenam in 3 different ways. One, some tries to visualize whatever way they can, but till the end they will never be able to visualize. Some tries to verbalize whatever way they can, but till the end they can't verbalize. Some wonder by reading and listening and meditating, but yet none know it at all. So one way. There is another way of you can understand. One more sacred secret. Some people see it with wonder when it lands in the human body. Some people speak that as a wonder. Some other people hear that wonder. Even if you hear, see, speak about it, no one can understand it at all. You can be awestruck, but you can never struck the truth of his being. How much ever you describe the consciousness, it is not possible to describe because the very spectrum is different. It's like a frog which was born and brought up, lived throughout his life in the well, in a remote village, is trying to describe the ocean. One day, unfortunately, as an accident, frog fell into the well The well frog invited the guest and asked, "You are from where?" Ocean frog said, "I am from ocean." Well frog said, "What do you mean by ocean? Is it a bigger place than mine?" Ocean frog laughed and said, No, it is a too big place." The well frog jumped from one corner of the well to the other corner and said, "Hey, is your ocean bigger than this or what?" Well frog could not control the laughter. It said, Yes, it is bigger. Please leave it. It's okay." That fellow jumped from diagonally from one side to the other side and said, "Don't tell a lie. Is it bigger than this?" Ocean frog said, "It's okay. You leave it. Don't struggle much. It is bigger." Then the well frog started shouting, "You liar! How dare you tell there is some more water other than my well in the world?" That frog which was living in the well is called atheist. Frog in the well do not know the existence of eternity. Like well frog trying to fight with ocean frog. Well frog can never understand. Same way, most of us can never understand, which is beyond our logic.
Welcome to Inner Awakening, the most powerful personal transformation retreat you could ever experience. In just 21 days, thousands are already experiencing the shortest route to constantly high energy levels, visible anti-aging, healing of chronic diseases, fulfilling relationships, and higher states of consciousness. What is the secret behind this transformation?
Kundalini means the inner potential energy. Once it is awakened, opens the different doors for the conscious experience in you. I can say which is a master key for all extraordinary spiritual experiences.
This extraordinary program is conducted personally by Paramahamsa Nityananda in the vibrant atmosphere of Nityananda Dhyanapitham Ashram. Open yourself to the benefits of Nitya Yoga and practical meditation. Experience physical and mental healing. Discover simple ways to handle life with success. Above all, enjoy individual darshan and blessings from Paramahamsa Nityananda every day. Take 21 days for yourself and carry home the transformation of a lifetime.